Zone RV provides a premium off-grid caravan experience with our 21-foot Sojourn van. Explore the many benefits of our largest and most luxurious model. By utilising lightweight composite manufacturing techniques and some of the top Australian-made caravan component brands, the Sojourn offers exceptional quality and performance. With an impressive amount of red arc lithium, solar, charging and control, enjoy full power in remote locations. It's easy to keep charged and you'll have nationwide support from Red Arc. The Sojourn comes standard with Cruise Master ATX airbag suspension, which improves travel and offers a convenient function when arriving or departing your campsite. The Sojourn offers a spacious interior layout that comes with an inner sprung queen bed. You also have the option to include a set of bunks. The colour schemes are modern and neutral, and the kitchen runs on gas-free technology, making the Sojourn 100% dust-free. ample and clever storage solutions to help you stay organised while you travel to your dream destinations. The bathroom and laundry area have been designed to offer comfort and luxury in the remotest of locations. With a washing machine, separate shower and an ensuite, all carefully planned, providing more time for off-grid travel and less time spent using common amenities in busy locations. Zone RV is committed to providing the summit experience, the highest level of customer service that exceeds expectations.